nkoma akoso and for the past a month any nkoma ye adwene ho no ye sa the usage of Ghana card and afi NIA for so na mo to omutu no challenges also nti I'm sure say also anopai ye beji the other side of the coin. In fact now no dynamic can we could see so last year around June honum baby na the Opposition National Democratic Congress ekoka say sa etimpona Ghana for yaban Electoral Commission NIA abo say the sole card acknowledged for almost all the things that we are doing, inclusive will be about to know. You're careful at the maintain who basa ebeba. That was last year, early last year. DNA, the Ekikakono, Electoral Commission for Abekasa, NIA for Abekasa, both political parties almost have their interest in Parliament and so Abekasa. But what are the realities and what are the challenges and the way out of the situation, if there is, and there should be. And Untina, quick notice, Yedemano, one of our finest young politicians, Okati across all political divide, or your Pentecost, or the field of academia, philanthropists and agriculturists, ne submissions in Parliament on national issues, they be adameka. As I see the Melbourne campaign for, say the bear paying for no a feed outer, and young Melbourne bit makase, we fully trust their competence. No matter my between Sanamon. And its political journey, what demonstrated say ampa, except for to say, your man acquaint crest to change their money, or a year embracing bedroom, and the constituency. Mr. Ejina pay, Ejina for what can say pa, era Ahmed, the for Ahmed Ibrahim. Ukobanda adeshia won wo honom no on any won insia name for a parliament oba parliament so a dom kuma no the dibia no minority chief whip and a deputy whip and as first deputy minority whip afishapa
meju so menua
bi be boko
nya minimum pay bonte
constituency e kama because that me hu say enipa bi aboabo musika no na Obakofa Okrata, and the Bamu and Abzo, where there's out of it now. We demonstrated in Nipa, you've been all these years. I want now, sir, constituency. Constituency, because I'm Mr. Munti, you have a twaba, oh, well, fekeke. And Obeje, go, giga, was that in time that couldn't already call a baby. They love him, even though the MPP wants to unseat him. That's another story we can talk about later. Gofona Kofa away now. Now, the Mubiana.
Yeah, my hand, my main fa with the Sunaminchia, a TF4 ne Adom TV. Kamiyaka Adom FM. Because and then Manya Kwanya, my first radio station, national radio station, a training me, Adom FM.
Okay.
Now, sorry, free Accra, Ekotema, every morning. Yeah, me be MP in 2009.
Yeah.
4 years Nana me a backbencher. I was sitting at the last seat in Parliament. And every day bia na me wa kwanya me ko Adom TV ba. Na me ni akwanya e wo Parliament. Say mpanyimfo na ekoba. Nti Adom FM. And I ma me opportunity Ghana for a team voice.
Good.
Nti say nde ma beye media friendly. Me nko GIJ. And me nko journalist school bia my media relations kakra me a courtesy multimedia. Adom FM.
Wow.
Now, on my matcha, a for new more share every Messin Adawasi, any Aquanya Cassia Modia Mammy, and there in particular.
Yeah.
Because and then a special day, Parliament, Jumedia, Yakudino, 10 o'clock, on your press conference, baby Basso. Now will be some constituency assembly. Se oba constituency a me nipa o mogidi se de adwuma no ma wa ye adwuma no wo ye adwuma na omo a wo ye ma omo no be feel se adwuma no wa ya amomo amane democracy no the democratic dividends omo to aba no ma no ombenya no so omunsa ka you don't need explanation by west You don't need campaign.
No.
Bible say, "Onyuma pabidi wechi, your deed shall follow you." And they say, "Oh yeah, papa, it will follow you. Yeah, bonia, it will follow you." And they say, "Ya mama kwanya, 15th year na me woman. Me by Parliament 2008, 2009. Now check my track record. Me by MP for time. If free say me free time. A juma pa me year what time. And into every 4 years it be a time for see a bit say Ahmed. And every 4 years it be no omu change MP. Nobody has gotten to a second term in time after me. Me ba time a develop time Emma ye nini pano building relationships ma ye develop ne pano. Etuya nipa school fees, develop human resources, connect communities, develop secondary school, establish even new secondary schools. About health, about energy, about education, about human resources. No ma ye no e ma time for no can say oh me ko ye che mo mama ko bana. In so ko ni fan hene. E ba o hwe menima o si honorable, o si kwa wo ko no e ye yenya. Nanso ye ni hwe be ye wo ba wonim ne ntam se da bi o se wo ye nyame ne pantia. In so ko ni fan
this ni fan hene na ka say.
Ni fan hene o si kwa wo ko no ye and na akusi say he was no exactly but na bibie no ho a metimi aye nti me call ho ni 4 years me di ma agentutu ni 4 years e no di ma Gabriel say ni 4 years e no di ama Sulemana Adama nti after me no because always they say we want somebody like Ahmed nti na 2016 we no na sitting no MPP for I had to go to tell them say ye na di Sulemana Adama Eba and they voted in time for him. In the time for no timeba banaka said bana mumumpe munipa na mufa no maye. Sampa for German of Foba and consecutively I've been voted the best MP in the Bono region. Both MPP and DC combined. In the nye adia eye adifufro se mabono no beka boom. Say ye baby jikrata ama Ahmed. And I made to be frank Minyanko, since I be nomination, because of a Juma ye wanti Minyanko, three big communities are more district apart from the district capital. Maybe free district capital. Yeah. The three biggest communities I can say, said ye honorable develop ye no. Omayene ye can't development pa put infrastructure aside. My infrastructure no answer. And the oko be say we so ma wa we dia dance. There is no single school under 3-man constituency. Yes, my humility. There is no single technical zone without a chief compound. My humility.
Are you just
there? I'm telling. Go there. Munko na munko ye. Exactly.
This is Banda you're talking about.
I'm telling you. But when I came, MP, there was no secondary school there. Na obiansu. And there was 0% recording. Zero. So we JHS. Obian to me passing. Enko secondary school. Go to Ghana Education Service. Ewakraha. Nakoji the 2000 to 2008 BEC results. Neji the 2009 to date BEC results.
There's a big difference.
And a big difference. It was 0. 2007. The whole Ghana. We were last but one district.
Banda,
I'm telling you. 2000, Kintampo, Jema, they were last, the whole Ghana. And we were last but one. So when I became MP, me call the universities, I said, this is what is happening. The ACC were your mime, your impetuous one, but Mumunim. Dear Nayabeya found, me call Tech, me call Legon, me call Espoli, me call Cape Coast. And I call Bois University for Banafua no more to call university at that time, the whole Ghana no more 10.
Wow.
I'm telling you, this is the inconsistency I inherited. 10 no soon, Omo free Bana and Omoba University no straight to. Omo for no atukwan. Ebia now, ne maame atukwan ba betena Kumasi. Into wako school no, JSS no Kumasi na wako. Oye Banda dishi na wako. But from the district.
Real Banda.
Obedient me. So, me catch on. So, what do we do about it? I'm saying, Sadia, made me common fund, be mamu 50% scholarship. Let's go back and do vacation classes in the JHS. Now you interview omunhwe yentia omuntimi mpase Emma University secondary school Emma University.
Wow.
So in vacation they went. And na ye bana and time combined. Into time in Soko not nipa 50 and now ewo university. Badu nipa 50. Sekwe nipa 50 bana nipa 10.
Hey.
I'm telling you, so it's like na o no say you to know say but na o maufo no enim no bien swim. But I took it upon myself. So I went to the district director of education. And I was like, what do we do about it? And I was like, onabo waba. For the first time, my MP aba me office. And no mommy challenges, I'm saying, director, I'm ready to work with you. Because a can't leadership in the district level, a health and education. These are the two key. Enti mene wo ena eba be ye adwuma no. Enti omu ma kwanya legonfo no ba ye, tekifo no ba ye, espolifo ena ye chiche omu to the remote. When they came, omu we 2-month vacation classes no we ena ye tandi omu ba district capital, Edi Metro TV, ebe try. Tell us nientia nkura no feel. 1, no educational infrastructure. 2, no inadequacy of teachers. 3, no teaching and learning materials. 4, no hope for the children. BC in himself, so we are secondary school, only secondary school. In the end, that's all the bay. So what I did was, me maomo 50% scholarship to the university. And I'm institute free SHS in 2011. 2011.
Free SHS.
Free SHS.
For your constituency.
For my constituency. And I call run a catcher and say, look, wow, be pass it me do be call. So in 2009, now me say, you know, my catcher said we were last but one. 2010, we moved to 84.
84.
The whole country.
From She
to 84. 2011, then we moved to 42.
Hey.
I'm telling you, because me befa you for employment teachers 322. Eko che omu mankura no, jinja omu, institute best teacher award, motorbikes. I did so. Minka, there are things in one day I will write, but
this is serious.
Minka. I normally do not, but the people feel it. Me institute best teacher award, 10 motorbikes. Emma, the best teachers, Edima, director of education, 50 bicycles. Institute. We move from last but 1 to 84, then to 42. Then the 4th year, no, and I'm called Bana. Into me call Banano, in Soko district capital, no money secondary school.
Wow. In
Soko time district capital, not Omuni secondary school. So in 2010, I established the Insoko State Senior High. Banano so now Omuni secondary school. So in 2010, I established Banamine Senior High Technical. And a Banano, because education no more passy and content. Let me tell you something. I'm telling you something today. Nyame family boniche. Me kofa regional director of education. Say me be secondary school Obana. And no sister dia or kwa kan JSS for now mobile bana for wine. So mudru 120. That is the number aban beje tum. In the crano sa lie all kind of mono. Na me de krom kasa aka say Munkambo.
It was for a good cause. It was for a good cause. Because you really wanted the thing to happen.
The thing to happen.
Yeah.
But in natural fact, no, we are 79.
How?
Okano 79 and as school near Yintu. Inti Okaya, Mr. Fim, Dr. Fim, Okaya, so Munkambo. Oh, no, now, Missy, Okaya no trip also 120 or so. And these are things I did. As you say, Uko and Ramitio, you're supposed to be Wakraha or Kobanaman Senior High.
Oh,
and I say, Uko, last week, me call results were Nano. Obia Trabanama Anya 6 A's, 5 A's, 1B. Banamai. Because discipline, teacher, headmaster, the discipline about Nkrano, Omu Chrem Krana Dianga. And I came to Labone Secondary School. On the Labone uniform effect.
Yeah.
And I did me sika ebe to Labone Senior High omu uniform from Adwa Wangara.
Yeah.
And I to Akula math books, science books, then books for prempe for ne opokunware for you.
Me de ko.
Me turning na the common me mamu free exercise book, free notebook, free teacher, everything. So we started on a very good note. Na me tria will be school fees. I did it from 2011 to 2015. So these are things I have done. Into about human resource now, into muye no. Me time ye be banaman since me ma assurance into the Sunday school. Nipa 23 omuye the first people to pass in JHS. Me di omo me di bi call sekwa, di bi call susek, e di bi call techiman, e di bi call
banda neni.
Yes. Into me spread you so they became role models. Into omuba no every parent wanted.
Yeah.
Into uka banasisi ya BEC we score 100%.
Wow.
BEC. So adiana na 0% no ma fixe amana ba 100%. Obia wie BEC infili. Put that one aside. Senior high no ma establish it. Me establish wie no. Omu wie a mu wie pe. Mo mbeko nursing training me mu beko. Mo beko university me mu beko. Moi, mo person mo be join the security services. I will make sure I push and fix you. Into uko this ama obi
ba up. And competition ba
family. Obi na ye ntuma kura kotua ni ba school fees this time. Me year up to 2011. 2016, 2017 na do buy ya offer free SHS no. Ana me jaye. Then I jumped to the tertiary. This year 2022 year me kotua universities 100 metuya 60 something etuya 140 ukaboma 215 tertiary students. What? From Bana 215 tertiary. These are records I will call district assembly on Sabekao. I'm not sitting here to and we publish it for everybody to see. Omu nyina omu for by TV by na ye twa. So nipa omu kotua mi school fees. Me buy na no medical indigenous we school go bana ako school akwa medical. I took somebody brought into Prempes College. We and I'm didn't call who teaching University of Allied. The first indigenous medical student we last year. He said he's practicing.
Bandani. And
I was paying 9,000 something every year for 6 years for him to finish and do medicine. There are a number of them now about mobile physician assistant Otabe school. The school fees is about 11,000 every year. I brought about 4 students there. I paid 11,000 times 4. So 4 years physician assistants.
We are Bandafo.
Bandafo indigenous, uncountable. Intiama so they have now become crusaders. Into omu can say no, ye but omu di echire no. Yen kam mom na se ona bo jazz sia ye hu betire. Into omu na omoko PK form na mobilize omu. I didn't ask them to go and do it.
What?
There is a story, but just say yenka. You don't blow your own trumpet. Into usha edro abatwa me mosque say koto abama me. Me gina and in the unlikely event say me nye MP, I don't care. If I'm MP, I will still do
what you're supposed to do.
And Sikana I'm one of the MPs I'm in family in sa enkanscano. And one says, yes, I'm my MP be at 10,000. Me control letter my director of education. 10,000, my way 10, my way 20, my way see, ukabo ma 10,000. Oh, nibi, misumi nibi. Period. So the records are there. So there has been consistent effort. 2017, yeah, the documents no call Yoko 7 times. But they never invited me.
Because
Yoko for koshe ya no makosunya na koshe no makwa. But unya say yesi Ahmed afasi. Because it was a way of making sure they break down my tongue. But manje be that. So say umuko far forma. These are the reasons. But ya yenka. So when you go there now, the banner then and the banner now, on countable. And now, on my me no work say, I catch for me, my sponsor been my masters 2017 to 2019. But before 2017, na my been mama o my masters. Yes, I sacrificed my own, and I was sponsoring people to do their masters. Into human resource, and a problem you. As they say, me no say the agenda, my be driving school. I'm a omunko school no.
Almost only for science.
My organize obia be your consensus. Me ko fa obi wo Kumasi before 2020. Say on train you must I know MPP ni. Into obehwe say send the ade no youth na ni agye ho no. Oya menya electoral fortunes. Oh national wanye.
Oh,
I'm telling you, nti ye to abanwi na madam for biso no betimi aye am se koye. Wa ya ade no, you are training about 114 youth in driving. Amobia license free.
But abroad and can you be you?
They don't understand. You can't. Me ko share man besides so MPP and
Debbie. Develop the area for me.
To me for 112 students no bana Emma Kumasi. And I say okay, u cast no for 4 every bana. Baby account wo na NPS kanuntu na training nipa no keke mai. Oh national okoho. Okohwe ya ohwe ya the way are you to na ni agi o onabo bebo. Oba e na eno ano. Nti yetu aba wie ya training nipa 112. 6 match ya de obia lance driving license emano. Ya to vis, Toyota VC. Ya to 3. Ya to Praja. Makum 5. Ya to Abubu ya makum 7.
Honorable Ahmed.
Yes. You see, I believe me na me a street boy.
I'm getting a lot of text messages. If you know what you are more LLB. School fees, you know.
Yes.
What amongst them?
I have.
Amongst them, Miami, New Kumayi, New Brownfuni, Eric J. Or see or true in our Osu. Because you saw something in him.
Eric is right. On say, Bonono, yes, say human resource. Yes. The way Eric came to me, and then me want to say, I go to him for advice. But that time now, Oba, excuse me to say, maybe I was better than him. But me boa no, and then baby Eric I could school me in Ruho, but I pay his fees.
He's just crying.
Ghana no, if politicians will be faithful and honest to ourselves, or my hand, and I will keep on saying it. Until 2020 elections, on the queue, on my opponent, no Middle Belt Development Authority. That Middle Belt Development Authority, no, man sika ese. On the queue, they give you 250 Ghana cedis to go and vote against Ahmed. But Banafo Jisikano etwa batiao.
But of course, clearly what you have
exactly.
done.
Exactly. That's why the Bible say your deed shall follow you. Into politicians was say yes adibi everywhere. And I mean politics na me no. I didn't come to contest to win. It was a call. Into me who say e your friend. In the gidi na. Sometimes I give some instance answers. People look at me and say, na kwa we onim nyanson. No man me nyanson be na me. Nya me kasa wo mu a. I say, whenever you are asked anything, do not ponder over what to say. But I, the Lord thy God, who created that mouth, will teach you what to say, which your adversary will have no power to refute.
But on this note, you transfer a sermon or a Pentecost penny pa. You transfer baby, you never cause no. Ebe dane nyame asemo de koma ebedu. Oh, Nyamisha, I think that's the best thing I can tell Nyamisha. You continue to exhibit those qualities and say, ye nyina no itimi efasa anamontu. But and they teach you part the addition and trying to solve some of the challenges maybe all of us as a country no etie wa supreme betimi aboa. What continues to be the challenge of your party on matters of limited registration, continuous registration, electoral commission, NIA Ghana card matters? What is the challenge?
Omahene, Kambeka say any challenge bia. Because if economies for BBM can all things being equal, all things being equal.
No man pepe.
Kaya tuaba, kaya ne wase ye lose. Because 2016, with the status quo, you lose 1 million difference. 2020, with the status quo, you lose with 500,000 vote difference. So 2024, why, if the status quo should go, why should we be saying, say, you're maintaining status quo? Kayem bom na kebeka say yenye den, yen sisano. But the NDC for can say even though 2016 status quo we lose here, 2020 you lose here. Yemfanko, that is the level playing field. Yemfanko. Electoral Commission say there be or no EPC Osisa 2016 CI no. Meanwhile 2016 CI no uye nsakra kakra wom in 2020. 2024 usi uye free okra the fufra then aba. Fufro na udi ba so and there's no level playing field. Omine in the entire American say CI ye di to aba 2016 your friend CI 91. CI 91 no ema eligibility criteria say obi epese otro ni din eto aba akwanya owo ni no ama e wo say o provide edi ni ho adanse say o man hene eye Ghana ni ndi say uko CI 91 no ma ama ability sa criteria no CI 91 no ni say uba CI 91 or say obia a person who applies for registration as a voter shall provide as evidence of registration identification one of the following: A passport, B a driver's license, C a national identification card, which is the Ghana card, D an existing voter registration card, or one voter registration identification guarantee, that's the guarantor system, a normal norm. Inti when CI yedi to about 2016 ye lose 1 million difference. 2020 Jemensa by 2020 because of Abu Ramadan case now Supreme Court can say untimi fa driver's license any voters ID card any normal income nemo yenyin free mnanka Ghanaian passport Ghana card and the guarantor system. And no Supreme Court no this our ruling no buy no. And I mentioned the CI 126 we buy. In the CI 126 we no and no amend the CI 91 we.
E be 91 na name.
E be sisa sakra portion kakra bi wo. And now kan new one na mentioned the buy the 2020 elections. Or say a person who applies for registration as a voter shall provide as evidence of identification one of the following: A passport.
Okay.
B a national identification card issued by the National Identification Authority. Or C one voter registration identification guarantee form as set out in the regulations of the DC. Ente 2020 abato na ye koto ye 2 year no obi a na okra passport bia ye manakwanya manechuro ni din obi a na okra Ghana card ye manakwanya manechuro ni din obi a oni passport a oni Ghana card ye manakwanya ma obi a wachuro ni din a we relative edi adanse ye ma into way na ewo mu a ye di to aba 2020 ye di way to aba ye lusu 500 million, all things being equal. Say way enema ye lusu ya ene sanka ye 2025 ye be lusu but NDC in cancer ye say even though when enema ye lusu 2020 about ye mfanko Jemensa say ono besisa we na we yi wa twa Ghanaian passport no enti o mahene kura ne passport we na odiko America diko UK kura na ontimi mfa endi ne ho adanse ye say me o man here me Ghana ni mama kwanya na me nchiro mi din o man here eni Ghana kada ye mo kwan ma nchiro din ento aba na guarantor system na Supreme Court si ye nyintum passport na Supreme Court si ye nyintum no Jemensa si ompre
o se di entia o se is been abused and as the
ne all can say amanonefo bi wo ha omunye Ghana fo a awo no ma awo bi omunye Ghana fo a omukura Ghana passport na o man se sa na wo card ya ye wa wo a omunye Ghana fo omukura Ghana card
say no much say non-Ghanaian Ghana card no
baby o man let me tell you Ghana card no a profit oriented venture a public private partnership activity eye ankran bi e na oni aban aka bom e na omu ye Ghana card no e na Ghana card ba ye ho no ono di adanse say yes wa bie premium centers a utua 250 cedis ye ma wa kwanya ma otro ni na obuba ba bia saa akwanya no wo no eye takrade MPP ne holdu Koforudua MPP ne holdu e na Accra
ehon kwa na saa premium
Tamale bi ni ho NDC ne holdu Cape Coast bi ni ho NDC ne holdu wa ebi ni ho NDC ne holdu Boliga ebi ni ho NDC ne holdu but as at 1st July last year ukota kradia ukra 250 cc na ya print amount instant uko Koforudua instant Uba Accra instant now on my hand let's face fact is there a level playing field put that one aside
but or Michelle and now we proceed Accra Takrade Kumasi
Kumasi krampo no wa mo Kumasi wo
so omu kire mu die nti asa mmea ho no na omu timi di sa system de
oman eno nti na ye ka se ye ni me person make say ye ni gidie ewo mu because public private ankran na open sika profit oriented o se wo ni aban ebom se mu ye adwuma se wo de fa so na ope aban de deliver of public good e no no pe enti sa enti wo betra wa ma onfa so na bo
debi
that is it enti de ye kan say ye kosu ka say ye be Ghana card no the sole qualification for identification the operational independence of the Electoral Commission will be compromised. NDC for her omope Ghana card no be ma restricted. And the ma NDC for ebufu nra ne say obia ko ne mpeso aso a oka ko Ghana card officer me pe data to do a register. They are reluctant to release it in Osiko region. Yes.
Won't be in check any
part data no ma the omeka say go to region. So it's like the transparency is not there.
Why are they resisting that attempt? And why?
And no na year NDC for kase. For the past 1 year, since July, Ghana card for no bar parliament no almost abandi omuka $117 million. Who converted $117 million into Ghana cedis? Converted by 13 cedis per dollar. $1.521 billion Ghana cedis. Enti abandi omuka 1.521 billion Ghana cedis ontimi ntua enonti omusu edidi amanfo ka enti uko Ghana card office baby mimi ho say ye twa omu lighting NI light ye twa omu lighting enti no omu tiso omu ntimi nya adwuma it took time and sana DC ekomo omu sika amu mako to credit o. So there are serious challenges yeah come me na banana make no upa we akobana NIA officer ye twa omu light mu no when na koto credit mom it was the DCE for banda. So these are the operational challenges omu wono baby wo ho nso a omu ni 4G baby omu ni 3G they are still using 2G baby wo internet no kura bi ni ho kura. So these are was serious, real technical and operational challenges. So what we are saying is, the Electoral Commission by or say, Abana ye 2020 no, NEPA 10 million and they use Ghana card and register out of 17 million registered voters. And they said 10 million and they did Ghana card and register Not just at that time no. Say and say wow we Ghana card here Mount Rodia we could have disenfranchised about 7 million.
A lot of people.
Put that one aside. In this sense, and as I say, they all can say Ghana card before say Omar register about 17 million Ghanaians. Omar Unim say yeah population census we Ghana for be briba say me yankai. So 31.31 million a year use no krano. Say okay say ube real country it will be more than that. Exactly. 2020 Electoral Commission by Parliament can say or register 15 million Ghanaians into a new voters register. At that time, now your voters register no 16 million. Or so a 13 or 14 million per 2016 elections.
Yeah.
Or say around 14 million. The only say they can say kono pa 13, 14. You can't economy pa or bet me register 15, 16 million.
Or the time crowd too.
Or the time too. You register you 17 million. So which means wow estimation in 2020 about it was over 1 million. So who can say trading or mine? I'm telling you, 2024 the real numbers are Ghana for ebe trading ebe buy a voters register will be about 20 million. In the 17 million Ghana card registrants are. It is not sufficient and yet enough evidence say by 2020 said nipa 20 million and a betro dia to abakura na obi abenya Ghana card opportunity. Impossible. It's impossible. Put that one aside. O man baby ayewe e mayan ko kreti unsa mimiti ya mimi sekoto. Me ba no miti air condition kan mu. Me ko emi ko tran air condition office. So that doesn't mean say that is how every Ghanaian is feeling
or living.
There are serious challenges in this economy. And what's the NDC MPP? Ye jai sa normal way na ye fix it. Ye were 5 major tax bills are budget are ye passing in 2020 no. Say yam passing 2023. Yam passing sa tax bills were who economists, who finance minister, you will not get credibility to go to IMF board approval. You are not speaking about that. What jai na wabet now? And we've given assurance 80 million.
That's the finance minister.
That's the finance minister. Let me show you these people, are they serious about the plight of Ghanaians? So, can say, ye were growth and sustainability bill to pass. Ye were excise bill to pass. Ye were Ghana Revenue Authority Amendment Bill to pass.
These are very important bills.
They are very
important bills.
They are tied to the IMF deal.
So the concentration and
the concentration should be there. Ya more 4 years. Say be president. Nama Ghana for think about fixing the economy and the security situation.
Not elections.
Not elections. In this say, ya can't be mamin can be amamon ya jaya to and a ye barbeka ya jai economy not war and a ya barbeka. So why are we voted for? Let me tell you, the last thing every government will do to prove your credibility, integrity, and sovereignty is to touch individual bondholders, pension fund, and even treasury bill. And that treasury bill is at the interest rate of over 35%. Still, Ghanaians don't have confidence. People don't have confidence. They are now coming for it. In the moment, transi any economic dialogue. How do we bring this economy back? Yajai, ya more 4 years. Where the 2 years? 2 years money away. You are thinking about the next 2 years. As if say Ghana exists just for elections. Inti yen baby ya jirani say look, put this one. So see who was Ghana. $117 million now, 1.152 billion Ghana cedis. Fakoma NI. Let them do mass registration. Now, enquire say premium card holders no. And a bit me. O my no sorry na. Now instant. We are creating an urbanized voters register.
That is at the detriment of us as a country.
Now, you free say, we are cutting
them off.
You are cutting them off. Even the right to vote. So we are creating 2 classes of Ghanaians, the poor and the rich.
But there's an assurance by the Electoral Commission. It says, "Omunye bibia ebeyo si akwai ama Ghana ni ausa fata se ochuru udino untimi churo." That is an assurance of the commission.
Okay, say Ministry of Communication eba out. Say wa wunne Ghana card. Ye ma wa kwanya. E ma un register o SIM card. Omayere, let me tell you. Omukoya no bangi no successful. Because obi owo sika wo bangi bia no obetimi akwa akotua 2.5 250 Ghana cedis age ne Ghana card. Enti omukoya ne bangi no successful. By omukoya no SIM card no anye successful. So they omu fix it first day deadline 1 meeting. second deadline 1 meeting, third deadline 1 meeting, fourth 1 meeting, into was not fixing fifth deadline. Or mine into bet me a shifty election date, sir.
Debbie,
you don't have the luxury of time. Into my communication for nye, my bank for nye, even communication for no crown or mine, where ukwa krasia. Kriani bi wo hwa 3210 phone no use o. E na ya to cheap atum. Phone na nkasa o use no oto no 40 Ghana cedis. Bi wo hwa 30 Ghana cedis. E na wakoto cheap no 5 Ghana cedis. E na odi atum. Enti u convert ya 45 Ghana cedis. Endru 250 na obi di akwaji Ghana card no. So now say I'm blocking you because you don't have Ghana card to register your SIM card. So okasa ope Ghana card now, oti 40 kilometers or 80 kilometers away from his own town. Sika odi faka akwa ni district capital. Akwa register for Ghana card. And those who change the phone number.
Another major problem.
So you are cutting people off. So that digital inclusion now, yeah, cano where you free.
Do they know Commissioner for name and do they know this? Because I remember some of the arguments everybody say, "Oko yinko na sia baby ba kope," and they say you na yemfifi epu any ato any atifi man temo mamba chro sa embe registration or yes suggesting mo say, "Ana mo yan say ekoto aba ye biebie mia bebre na obi atimi akoto na bibie ekono." Why are we not really talking about this? Because the truth is that maka ewa maka wo ekosi say the position by your party, even though sometimes because there are spillovers overboard, but abobia the librena eka and a batu also na yekoto. If we want to be very fair, transparent, and objective, these matters should not take us days, months, and years. So, what is the position of the NIA in the assurance that the 3.5 MBG any year as you see a Kokorana, a cop premium service or prestige service now, yenya card no. What is the assurance? Yeah, they can't change me and as they can't change my. Which one is which? Because finance minister promises what you are.
There be also what we are 1.5 billion, what we are 100 million.
Oh, there be.
Into account 1.4 billion.
What? So what you has 100
million. Into account 1.4 billion. 1.421 billion. Sana okatre
No. Are you sure about the figure?
Yes. Osi wa 40 million.
It's a billion and you want as a
1.5 billion.
And make us what you 1 billion. And
maybe what you 100 million. 100 million ukra e the release letter no dia momo. Into munsa nyanka sa 100 million ukra. So in totality odiomuka 1.521 billion. Because ye the warrant ye kase amount warrant letter. It send there a bank actual check amount. Afe na ukodru bank wo. Set bank be credit to account on credit to account. Controller be credit to. A bank na e be credit to your front controller. Set controller be credit to account on credit to account is over. Inti enro be kind unsa to forcing the minority leader a true challenge man say udi Ghana card. Unsa enro and opane word people. Ente oba parliament na was say you confirm. E na to forcing bisa and say udi Ghana card for 1.17 billion dollars. Is it true or false? Or say it true? What you are saying? Or say wama omu 100 million Ghana cedis. Into convert 1.17 no into by 30 na 1.521 billion Ghana cedis. It is a what you are 100 million. Aka 1.421 billion Ghana cedis. How are you going to pay this? Almost say omu payment plan. What if the payment plan fails? Baby, are you way? Even salaries. Paying salaries, ye bobusia and etua salaries. And it say that one nya busian untumi ntua salaries. Na ye kase ye bobusia and etua salaries every month bia say aban to treasury bills. Treasury bills do aye to nyina ye na aban a jiska e dia kwatua salaries. So you don't have the money. Na oman in the year can say what me I register even 17 million. Take it that it is true. Why don't you allow the current system to go? Ukope enuka ababeto unso na a bedroom rebu Ghana card for the unsa sheboasi wi no market say ye 1.4 billion na can one farm ya yentimi nje magana ni bia anya card. Sa time no na ya passing bra where you. So
passing we so we are no hwenye you.
That's it. Enu na ya ka say sadia ene ye bi ato force say nde aban no eka no se wo se wo betimi aya ye ni nyina wie na Ghana ni bia nya ne card uye wie utua sika no wie aya nya ne sika ure omuko register wie na Ghana ni bia nya ne card come to us say enuanom honorable members now I've released the money. Ghana card has distributed the cards. Everybody has his card. Samranu bra, udimranu ba, ubian kasa wo ho, ye be pass am. This because you yourself you don't have confidence say aden ubetumi aye nti. Wo say yem pass mranu entwen ansa na wakoye adwuma no. O mayere.
I see.
Putting the car before the horse or the horse before the cart. When you na wo kire ye school, na ndie me ya ne say ye the journalists echo ka politicians who are on that or punish journalists for no. Ye the NGO civil society ni echo ka manyofo ho a on e punish NGO for no. Oni say Jemensa no ka IE for.
Yeah.
Electoral reforms are no mu ye na Jemensa ka ho. IE Institute of Economic Affairs. Okay presidential dialogue. Enyo mu na na So what has changed? Jemensa abeye electoral commissioner, chairperson. Or see Oba abeye electoral reforms. She doesn't need IE. She doesn't need CDD. On here IE, on here CDD, on here Imani Ghana, on here Freddie Heber Foundation, on here even political parties. Ukai IEA, no much letter. Emma NDC, Emma CPP, Emma PNC, Emma MPP. No munyina haba. Yes, you IEA lectures. Professor Kwesi Jonanum. Na political parties na ba. Okay, domestic violence bill.
Yeah.
IEA for Croyao. And a partner with political parties and almost over here.
So what has changed?
So intimidation di
and I'm opposition here so entrenched. When you ready some dialogue one.
On my oba subsidiary legislation committee and no more catchers a yana ya manofo. Yana yeni grassroots no edili. Ye kwa ye mpeso aso a me bana upe nipa omo passport bana o mahene omunru 1000 emunru upe omo Ghana card omunru odi report odi buy o si wa register 20,000 wa distribute 12,000 inti aka 8,000 kasa nipa 8,000 eno ma register omunya omo kasa na ye will half of the population this are not trakudo also for 4 hours de omukura do also chain ye na ye wo asase no so those over banks what effort are you making to make sure say they have their Ghana card?
Okay.
Oman no kai ye to aba omuka say omunye Ghana for no agnafo nye Ghana for e bana wo no exactly so this is a clear akwanya be no dia ma omu say and they are holding the Ghanaian economy. Omuna omuyi nam ewo nsuo no na man for the
LTO say there
there be omu yusu basisa every Friday Thursday eko fa nam no eba nipa brese their contribution to GDP cannot be overemphasized na ofi akwanya keke a obenya atu anbano.
Okay, so a lot of your text messages here, but maybe a certain clarity will do. Mame, yeah, in Kenya, Mame saying you can parliament. We are not if that is really the situation or there's another fear to that. Mr. Speaker, I wish to emphasize that the Ghana card will not be used to vote in the 2024 elections. The Ghana card is only a requirement to register as a voter. And once you present your Ghana card and successfully register as a voter, you will be issued with a voter identification card which bears the code of your region, your district, your electoral area, and the name of your polling station. The Ghana card does not have these features, and therefore it will not be used to vote in the 2024 general elections. This is the Electoral Commissioner talking to us.
My main kind the Electoral Commission. On say on one kasa di ne statement in the parliament no. Or to one na statement no buano for. Inti otwa no twetwa bim.
Parliament no.
Any inti ni statement ni presentation ni. You see Presentation by Mrs. J. Mensah, Chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana to Parliament on the continuous voter registration CI on Tuesday, 28 February 2023 at 1 p.m. Into your debate, na who said paragraphs be woman, and near Namona or to no match into your two na any. O my enemy, we are made them. Otuona, and when I to force in court 2 years.
Parliament will be winning.
Parliament one and or to chem because or kind we are. Not just say, on one him send the oil in ye. And no chairman are to forcing, a drusa are to forcing a casano, and no beho, and no yours one no motivation on the Mompeono. And no are to forcing court 2 years, Mensa a bisan say. Now, why wouldn't him say my minute statement or dear by 2 paragraphs watch him? I didn't know say, okay. Oh my, you see, or say, we expect all players. We
expect all the players in the electoral process, including political parties, to encourage all those who do not have a Ghana card to visit the offices of the National Identification Authority and register for the Ghana card, after which they can register with the Electoral Commission to enable them. But that is not what is here.
I'm not when not the buy report na me dia manya coat of arms na wo.
So that which they can register with the Electoral Commission to enable them vote.
Na kan second one
2023
election. Second one so otwa mu no so kan.
Also, we call on the NIA to accelerate the pace of the printing of the Ghana cards to make it easy for anyone who is interested in registering with us to do so. But Ghana card, you find a way in if you say the features of Ghana card, no crano, any setting a year, then you are coming here with your own statement, if that is the case, to do this.
You see?
No, are we sure this is what came to Parliament?
Me say when not the man, you can say the statement no lack credibility. On one so lack credibility. Ghana card for lack credibility. Why do you dent yourself? The what you show me on one or you court of arms ne was no. Ni statement. And they are to force in sorry. On send raw can we na ye institute say hona o mun distribute. And in that way no untimi ko edit na odi aba. Enti owie na no mugie hona no mugie copies. E distribute my MP bia nya bi. Enti we uchenye enye. Enti ye copies now.
We change it ye.
On change it.
The records. House of Records.
We never buy your hands out.
No, House of Records. One kasa for the records. What catch now say we mean to me. The only challenge is that you don't appear before House of Records not fully prepared and come like this. That's the danger. Because if you ask questions from this, only a bonio.
And no, to force in
if you ask questions no.
Why do you read it?
No.
And send your can see
if you ask questions from this, it means that this is the original intent.
Exactly. Omanyere nyame nshira wo ye penyina mpa.
Ye kwaba. Nye penyina me ye. O me share Pentecost ntia. Ye kwaba ye ba. Ye be di ye ko ye kwaba. Saba back me cameraman on Hong Kong South African Buddha. O hwe jacket a washa waso fi India na eba. Na me be wadom obeko bi why nye hwe. Awo bi se ze ka okọ na fa oni achi sare bibi ye o. You know. Amwa mahene yako nana wadaro ma mensre ma o yako oni abusuafo nyina ye ka say de amwa mahema ayo ma me prekope erade ato safre no CPC former CPC nana wadaro ma this weekend okumase asante mantem amwa ma eba betai wachi na akokata abrewaso kama wa onim ni bia so no o ma no shedding ene yako kese pa. We are back. Era Ahmed and I will say Ibrahim Banda Mrashibebeni. If you miss out a lot of things, and I walk about the constituency and the ecosu on Abidjan, the national character of Ghana. Ghana, the Electoral Commission, National Identification Authority, and then that of the NDC on matters of Ghana card, continuous registration, limited registration, and all those things. Or the only the minorities' position on this matter. As a matter of fact, the NDC's position on this matter. And Atubra. But also waiting. Also be our watching share back be maybe Simaka Krebe more much but ye be run a party in Muankasa. Now, then we wrap up on that. Apia Stadium say, Buano. The position of the NDC, which says, young for Ghana card, never twaba, and I didn't never twaba. Because that's a young baby basa.
Menu Apia. We dear Michelle Bosse, and by 10 o'clock. NDC for your official position, no, you're the better. But as I say, what bisa no Badwam Ninti. Me di kind ayu sitre say game fa Ghana card no entwaba. Enye ne di beto aba. Okay. And electoral commission na kasa kasa game fa eno entwaba.
Okay, so Mamen Sankin, so that we all get it straight until it changes. This is the position of the electoral commission. Mr. Speaker, I wish to emphasize that the Ghana card will not be used to vote in the 2024 elections. The Ghana card is only a requirement to register as a voter. Once you present your Ghana card and successfully register as a voter, you will be issued with a voter's identification card, which bears the code of your region, your district, your electoral area, and the name of your polling station. The Ghana card does not have these features, and therefore it will not be used to vote in the 2024 general elections. But Adabraka, to Obuasi, Susuma Otimunya or the CCR, because a yakwantu a yetu. Sa kwantu na NDC for pesi muda ho fine tem no. Se muda ho fine tem no mo heze eno me di adanse nyina chese Ghana card e gina brane na ye nyina ya tia se betimi dey one of the identities for us to vote with her. You know, that is the conversation the NDC is having. Apart from that, the status quo remains. Inti ehon nyina say pay what the electoral commission through its commissioner akokan wo and then again appeal to the finance ministry. Say when you see Kama Price Water Coopers for a year check it, say the modern body mojuma is so enidia. Munya sika ahon brasim na mo farmer NIA4. Because if it's 1.3 something billion and we are paying 100 million
1.521 billion.
Yeah, we are paying 100 million.
We are paying only 100.
Now they assume. If I'm a supplier, definitely it will not encourage me to get to that. It's a Messiah supplier and I phone number 12 Mojumaso. We are back. We are wrapping up on NDC and matters arising. John Mahama, the former president, Dr. Dufo, former governor Bank of Ghana, former finance minister, Yera Kojubonsu, who happens to be former KMA mayor and a sports activist, Waruna Anna Kobia, I think so. Owner agent as a Francato former the NDC. Unfortunately, for the three competitors now, almost 99% of people who are voting in the NDC are presumptive leader. And that's the former president, John Dramani Mahama. The only question you can ask this one is, really, is that democracy? Is that fair? Acceptability on the part of Ghanaians? Oh, just wrap up with these ones.
Mine and me research be, but me
yeah.
Mama President Mama Belanch in the campaign.
Yeah.
Yawadaya by
voter.
Voter.
Yes.
Na a banisa was a research be ne Kokasawo. Na why research na nanka
wa Mama very strategic voter region.
No kwasim ni se wo hwe contest na ye kona. Bet me aka say afutu amede be my president Mama and say o mayem focus on the 2024. As for primaries, there's no contest. There's no contest.
What the Rojo ni Solomon Cancer?
Oh, there's no contest. Rojo, what were we no crowd on to me so? There quite lady will be campaign man at the
what's the idea? This is come but after from 0302 211701 04 0302 211701 be within the conversation, Mr. Oba.
Oshe what we no rojo ntimi hweso nti ozo ogase no na be ye and as ohwe candidates na wona mesre esa bro no mo peso mudi se nya bro a ka obi en kofa form say or contest President Mahama in these coming elections And I say wohwe nipa na individually ye nipa na omo ne ikono individual research by megidi say ya wada no ebe ye de betu dwa
na wo nipa za
no kra na ye ka wohwe somebody like o person o be the president e wo say wo da so da ye na oto ho anamo omo bia no wa ye sa adima no
bia na so da
debi
eye pum
when president do for flag bearer Kobna do for on say no a finance minister.
Yeah.
No a governor.
Yeah.
Did you ever thought say obe dance that say opiki form so be president?
Ashaven match question me yaro da. Ashaven match.
Wa hono NDC campaign muda. Tell me. Since Kobna do for
so shechiri no ye.
Baby, no unko shechiri where? Flag bearer and shechiri.
Ashaven match. Hello Ashaven. Oh, yeah, Ashaven and Kat. Mama Fasa Quenya was in chair. Rapti Usunyani also Bachao. Join us building the Ghana We Want Together campaign launch of John Dramani.
Yes, the Ghana we want.
The Ghana na me no yepeno. John Dramani Mama show they bring. And it's 9 a.m. on Thursday, 2nd March 2023. University of Allied Science.
Yes. Yeah, be.
Debbie. Ghana.
Who na ye bibi?
Ghana Daroma na mo pensu.
Say we no mo ko Central University. Ombai no mo go mu bank.
Ashaven morning.
Morning, Amani, what for me there?
Boko, Ashaven so the NDC achiache o.
Oh, Amani ni sawa wa ni tia. Ona bua me kradi di. Ya dia chirisa. My bompa, ya me beton. Ame. Yeah. Amani ni bikuma kuma ni mami nche o fili kesi obi bia o bebi e koko duru bia. Mo ba juma pa. Apo na wa parliament ye time ti said achata time and tia. No Amani ni question me dita. Ya mami je me sane say. Enti kwan bia so chinchina wa post office register na 2020 o ka tete credible. I re to aba se bi se chinchina yen san kwa fofura na because den jama me tia say o be ka limit registration say ya na me ona bo ti studio se bi se be no sense be bire ko ti ya mo bi firi ne nkwa wo do ma we to same thing adi we ya kwa say
so Ashaven de ye o de o hadwe o ya ka se register foforo eye to ba wo MP abetina ka NDC how what is all kinds of register over? Yay! Could you match here?
Bring your sobra.
Could you patch what's enough here for honorable wrap up?
On my hand, I no pay the made check a sepa near Basubonema MP or Bandai Ahmed Ibrahim. On my hand, in some of the panel connections, so you'll be a Ghana question is a bit maybe so. One money constituency is so attractive. I'm not talking from any political.
We are
considering Nipane and Nyoma Waye. The MPP in America say, but I can tell you, sir, the papaya most NPP MPs are on my buying a wood to me, crying to me at the iron. Yamishrano, Amen.
Anyway, strategies, man, I'm telling you, I was more fun as Sadaka Krama because Banda Honoma, I'm question within 8 days and some PF Wabano. I'm on Kaime Kakra. So, all right, that's a one strategize. You miss my strategy.
My name is
Baba, that Alex. Hey, and then what train this for Papa? Who makes you?
Yeah, fire more than oh, my Japan of I was Japan too. Honorable, and of pay. I want you, my dear Cassiamo. The best honorable, or more money. Na Ghana hano udi agura e betwa pupu afo atiko e dia wewo na about why kon 2024 ne de Ghana fo na esu say this yemra maji omo enti say yatimi anye wo ma ya Ghana fo mfa ye bone ncheye Yankopon ko sinshira mu nyina.
Okay, that's it. So for my mejewa wo agrek wa mase o ma meda from na hwe wi o efijase I think so. So for mame so shedina yako anafi alice kopin so ya chiao rich so audio be by unfortunately ain't people. Oh, the good thing is that when you're in Shroud.
Amen.
Now this mindset of yours, no, you know, you pick it up. Now I'm watching to Melbourne. Now Banda for so there's a Muankasa. What the Monsa left eventually Mukuru Quine there after all this there. What Obianka said, and me that's it. Anytime I turn self will be as who jai deal yeba. When I'm in Kahopa.
Amen.
10 o'clock, breaking news. How do farmer as they talk to Ghanaians at exactly 10. Me don't mind the community and the entire team led by cameraman Osha Jaketa, South Africa Crown Corda. Onyamena do obeko July.
TV Maya do.
Yeah, that's it. So on the wings of World Kofi Ampedu, Dominic is here about Dachi Telma, I guess. Camera, sound, lighting, makeup artists, drivers, set designers, control for Adobe BRC. Let me admit.